Hi there, this is Andre, and today I stay here at the Macao beach. Today is beautiful weather, so pretty soft light. I'm so excited to do this photo shoot today. I have family photo shoot. They coming from the Occidental Caribe resort. So let's go to a photo shoot. For today I am finished. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel to not miss a new video, and if you're looking for more information about photoshoot here in the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana, just follow my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and left your comments below. And we'll see you in the Dominican Republic. Bye!